Introducing the all-new Commercial Infloor Simple Stow. In a world where transportation often overlooks those with unique mobility needs, we are proud to unveil a new solution, the newest ADA-compliant wheelchair-accessible vehicle from the most trusted brand in mobility, BraunAbility. This is the Commercial Infloor Simple Stow. Built to make a difference, this vehicle represents our commitment to being the most trusted brand in mobility, designed for safety, ease of use, and accessibility for all passengers. Built to last, the BraunAbility ramp with fixed 2-inch-high side rails ensures simplicity, fewer moving parts, and cost-effective maintenance, plus extensive durability testing with over 30,000 stow and deploy cycles promotes longevity. Ease of use is paramount, built for extensive daily use. The new ramp design deploys effortlessly with 60% less force than previously. An extended handle is designed to help most users operate without bending down. When stowed, the ramp provides unobstructed access to the passenger side for ambulatory passengers. The lowered ramp threshold offers easy entry for passengers with a 2 to 3 inch lower step than other fold-out conversions. Built to trust, the new Infloor ramp assembly ensures robust performance with fixed side rails, low-friction bushings for smoother operation, and an impressive 1,000-pound ramp capacity. With a host of features, including an LED spotlight package, durable thermoplastic flares for impact absorption, and an optional second-row Friedman seat, this vehicle offers a complete solution for your transportation needs, truly built to trust.